What's up, everybody? My nice jet ski that I bought off of Facebook, this guy wasn't cool. I mean, it did run good for a week. It put up with me beating it up in Sebastian Inlet, you know, down in Florida at the Monster Hole. But he had this over this, and to me that looks like the starter solenoid. And he had it tucked, hidden underneath the engine. And when I cleaned it out through the clean out hose, I didn't realize that that was under there, so I pulled it out. It wasn't starting today. And I had to tear all this silicone out, and I'm pretty sure it's this wire that broke out here. If that's the case, I'm gonna fix it and just order a whole new piece, and then I'm actually gonna set it on the box. I mean, this guy was pretty rough, but he was smart. He put silicone all over everything, even the hardware. So hopefully it saved this and it'll fire up, guys, because it didn't ting, click, nothing. So let's keep posted. And guys, try to do this slowly. Take your time. You're gonna want to get some sandpaper and stuff out, clean all these fittings back up. And that's why they call me the expert handyman, Shane. I'm actually gonna clean this up and fix this piece. My son's starter went out. We're gonna replace that, clean these up, and then we're ready for action again this week. Stay tuned. I'm getting ready to climb in this boat and redo it.